Wow. Look at this. It's crazy. Never seen this much snow. Look at that tree. It's bent over. I measured the snow earlier. There was about 5 inches. 4. They said we originally were going to get 1 inch. Now they're saying we're going to get about 6 to 8 inches. It's still snowing. Yeah, a little bit. Well, not a little bit. It's still snowing pretty good. And they're saying it's going to pick back up. So let's see here. My hand's still, and there's still more left in that. My finger didn't even go all the way into that hole. If I had to guess, it's about maybe 6 or 8 inches right there. Let's put my foot in to it. There's no ground. It's pretty good base snow. So yeah, it's been forming really all around us, but right through here we've been getting a lot of slush. There's snow falling from the trees right now. This tree is bent over. Just grab the snow right off it. It's pretty crazy stuff though. This is the most snow I've ever seen in my lifetime. And holy crap, earlier today a tree bent over and it fell with all the snow. It's crazy. Just won't stop snowing. The road isn't actually too bad, but there's actually, I don't know if you can see, so there's a snowdrift down there that's about a foot in the road. It came out earlier, and yeah, I might need snowshoes to walk in that. Yeah, this is the most snow I've ever seen. It's a ton. Wow. Definitely something. On our back porch, we measured it, and it said we had about 5 inches earlier. But that was like 2 hours ago, so snow's falling from the tree above me. So I bet it's much more now. There's lots of snow falling from these trees. You can see the sun up there. It's still snowing, but you can see it. Pretty cool. Said it's going to pick back up pretty soon. But yeah, it's awesome.